Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Grammarly subscription on your PC, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Grammarly website. That's grammarly.com. Now sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and select Account from the drop-down menu. On the left-hand side, click on the Subscription tab. Here, you'll see the details of your current plan. Scroll down and click on Cancel Subscription. Grammarly will ask you to select a reason for canceling. Choose the option that best fits your situation. Finally, click Cancel to confirm your cancellation. And that's it. Your premium features will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.